the Martin fire started on the backside of that ridge over there where the rocks are. That's Moon Rock. And came out of a campfire and burned straight through all of this and on down into a subdivision back down below us about a quarter of a mile.
It used to be under the ocean, and now it's not. And then it's special because it has that unique habitat type. Santa Cruz kangaroo rat, and then the Mount Herman June beetle. If you just look right over there, you see a whole patch of them. There's nothing wrong with them. They just burn really hot and fast, and you don't want them next to the road if that's where you're trying to drive.
A small fire here, if not kept small, is going to get big. It's a lot easier to do this work now than when there's smoke in the air.